Greetings, Lynn Graft here, founder of Storytelling for Entrepreneurs, and we're just 2 weeks out from our first Create Your Story intensive workshop here in Austin, Texas, September 30th and October 1st. And one of the main elements we're going to be diving into at the workshop is at the heart of storytelling, and that is connection. One way, shape, or form, you need to make a connection with your audience, meaning you're looking for a way to make them care about your story and your offering. If your audience doesn't care, they may still listen and pay attention, but the likelihood they will take action to support you is almost nil. Now, the good thing is people are typically hungry for connection. Connection is something we all want or are in need of, whether we admit it or not. And there's a lot of studies to prove this at the psychological and at the physiological level. But even beyond that, the evidence is often right in front of you, meaning you probably wouldn't have been given an audience in the first place if they weren't looking to make a connection one way, shape, or form. Yet, at the same time, you have to assume that they are not going to want this connection. Now, there are a number of reasons for this, including people are just overwhelmed, they may have a lot going on in their life, got their guards up, they're just resource constrained, or just have a million things being thrown at them all the time. What you're looking to do is find a way to spark this connection or build a bridge to them to create this connection. At the workshop, we're going to dive into this concept a lot deeper and go over a number of different ways to make that connection. But I want to share one specific method that works really well in connecting to audiences and getting them to care about you and your story. And that is to make your story relevant to them. Audiences relate to, believe in, and care about things that are relevant to their world. They want to know what's in it for them or the people that they care about or the things they care about. Or they're going to often ignore it and move on to something else. Audiences need to feel the relevance in your story before they can be persuaded by it, and will then make decisions based on how something fits into their world and the things they care about, both subconsciously and consciously. So what you want to do is speak to their world, the basic human motivations they deal with every single day. Their needs, their dreams, their problems, their pains, maybe even their regrets. You want to incorporate elements into your story that relate to the things that matter to them. Their family, their friends, their accomplishments, maybe their monetary situation, their looks, their health. So if you've got a food product, how it might impact their well-being. If it's a technology offering, how it gives them more freedom to focus on what matters or do more in life. Stories are not about the features of your product or services. They are about how things make us feel, and that's what it really comes down to. And this is how connections are made. You relate your story to their feelings and the things they really care about. And when you make that connection, especially an emotional one, you build familiarity and you build trust. This kind of human connection is one of the most powerful ways to move people to action and get them to support what you are doing so you can get the assets you need to launch and grow your company successfully. This is just one of the topics we're going to be covering at the Storytelling Workshop here in Austin, Texas, September 30th and October 1st. I'm going to put a link in the comments below so you can learn more about the event and register for it. We've only got a few spots left, so make sure and get this done today. I hope to see you here in Austin for the event, and thanks for watching.